Good morning, students. Today we are completing exercise 3.3. In the previous lecture, we have completed up to question number 6. Let's start today's class from question number 7. What is the question number 7? The question number 7 is the adjacent figure HOPE Hope is a parallelogram. This is the given figure HOPE. It is given to be a parallelogram. Find the angle measures X, Y and Z. State the properties you use to find them. We have to find the value of X, Y and Z. HOPE, Hope, is a parallelogram. It is given. Here HO is parallel to EP and PH is the transverse. Then this angle and this angle are equal because these two are alternate interior angles. So value of Y is equal to 40 degree. Here we have to give the reason, alternate interior angles. Now to find the value of X, we have to firstly find the value of this angle. I will give it name as angle 1. Then 1 and 70 degree makes a linear pair. So angle 1 plus 70 degree is equals to 180 degree. Then angle 1 equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Then what will be the value of angle 1? Equal to 110 degree. Now X is equals to angle 1 because HOP is a parallelogram and opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle X equal to 1 equal to 110 degree. Now look at the triangle HOP. Now look at the triangle HOP because we have to find the value of Z now. Clear? By angle sum property, we will find angle Z. Now in triangle HOP by angle sum property, Y plus Z plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree. Y plus Z plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Then 40 degree plus Z plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. 40 plus 110 becomes 150 degree plus Z equal to 180 degree. Z की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 180 degree minus 150 degree equal to 30 degree. Therefore X 110 degree, Y 40 degree and Z equal to 30 degree. That is the answer. Next is question number 8. The following figures, guns, GUNS and runs, RUNS, are parallelograms. Find X and Y. Lengths are in centimeter. Now its first part is we are given a parallelogram GUNS, guns, and length of the sides are given. GS is given in variable term and UN is in numerical term. Similarly, GU is given in variable term and SN is given in constant term. So, as guns is a parallelogram, we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So, GU is equal to SN and GS is equal to UN. What is the value of GU? It is given as 3y minus 1 and SN equal to 26. Therefore 3y equal to 1 नेगेटिव है तो राइट हैंड साइड में पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. देन 3y इक्वल टू 27, y इक्वल टू 27/3 equal to 9 centimeter. Centimeter, why we write here centimeter? Because it is given that lengths are in centimeter. Similarly, GS equal to UN, then 3x equal to 18, x equal to 18/3, x equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, value of x 6 centimeter and y equal to 9 centimeter. That is the answer. Next is part number 2. RUNS is a parallelogram. Now, in the first part, the measure of sides are given. Here, diagonals are given. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, and SU and RN bisect at point O. We have to let it as point O. So therefore SO equal to OU, RO equal to ON. Put the given values. SO 20 equal to y plus 7 and 16 equal to x plus y. Firstly, we will find the value of y. 7 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आके माइनस का हो जाएगा. 20 में से 7 गए, 13 सेंटीमीटर के आ गई y की वैल्यू. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y इन इट, देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. 16 में से 13 माइनस करोगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3 सेंटीमीटर. देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड y इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. दैट्स द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. A figure is given. Here RISK risk and CLUE clue are parallelograms. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of this angle. That is given to be x. Therefore, we have to find the value of x. Now, listen this question carefully. RISK. RISK. This is a parallelogram. Clear? So angle R and angle K are the adjacent angles. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So R plus K equal to 180 degree. Here you have to give the reason. Then angle R plus K is given to be 120 degree. Put the value of the angle K equal to 180 degree and find the value of R. R की value क्या आ गई 60 degree. Now let it be as angle 1 and it be angle 2 because we have to find the value of x. Okay. Now angle 1 is equal to angle R. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Then what is the value of angle 1? Angle 1 is of 60 degree. Similarly, clue CLUE. This is a parallelogram. CLUE. This is a parallelogram and opposite angle to L is angle 2. Therefore, angle 2 equal to angle L. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So, angle 2 is equals to 70 degree. Now, in this small triangle ESO, we have to find the value of x. We have find angle 1, angle 2. Now, by angle sum property, we will find the value of x. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus x equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 70 हम find कर चुके हैं. Plus x equal to 180 degree. 60 plus 70 130 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. यही value हमने find करनी थी. Okay. Next is question number 10. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? Now this is the given figure KLMN. Firstly, we have to explain why this given figure is a trapezium. We know that the two sides of a trapezium are parallel. So we have to tell which are the two sides in this figure which are parallel. Which of its two sides are parallel? We have to find these two lines also. Now Angle M is given 100 degree and L is given 80 degree. Now remember a rule which is used in question number 10, 11 and 12. When a figure is given or two lines are given and you have to check whether the given lines are parallel or not, then you have to check the angles on the same side of transversal if their sum is 180 degree, or you can say if the angles on the same side of transversal, suppose this is the transversal, are supplementary. Suppose this is 80 degree, this is 100 degree. Then these two lines are parallel. Okay, and vice versa. Vice versa means if the given lines are parallel, then this is a transversal, then these angles are, sum of these angles is 180. Clear? Now let's start the question number 10. Here angle M is 100 degree, L is 80 degree. Then what is the sum of both the angles? 180. Since sum of adjacent angle on the same side of transversal is 180 degree or supplementary, then these two lines KL and NM are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, then it is a trapezium. Which two sides are parallel? KL and NM are parallel. We write it in the above line. Clear? Next question is similar. Question number 11. But here we have to find the measure of angle C in the given figure, where it is given that AB is parallel to DC. Find measure angle C in the figure if AB is parallel to DC. Now AB is parallel to DC is given. Then what is the rule? According to the rule, these two lines are parallel and BC is transversal. So measure of angle B and C should be 180 degree because these two lines are given. These two lines are given as they are parallel. If they are parallel, then the adjacent angles on, or we can say angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Then measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. It is given to be 120 degree. Measure of angle C हम पता कर लेंगे, that is 60 degree. यही आंसर है. 12th question is find the measure of angle P and S if SP is parallel to RQ. If you find measure of angle R, is there more than one method to find measure of angle P? That means we have to find the measure of angle P in with different two methods. Firstly, we can find it as, देखो, Q is given to be 130 degree, R is 90 degree. Here SP is parallel to RQ and PQ is the transversal. Then angle P and Q sum equal to 180 degree. Angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Therefore angle P plus 130 degree equal to 180 degree. 130 degree उधर जाके आ जाएगा minus. Then angle P equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Angle P की measure आ गई 50 degree. Now similarly SP is parallel to RQ and SR is transversal. Angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So angle S plus angle R equal to 180 degree. So what will be the measure of angle S? Angle S plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle S equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle S equal to 90 degree. P 50 आ गया और S 90 आ गया. Now, the alternate method to solve it is angle R is given to be 90 degree. SP is parallel to RQ and RS is or SR is transversal. So angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Then sum of angle S and R equal to 180 degree. R is given to be 90 degree. So we will put the value of 90 degree in place of angle R. So what will be the value of angle S? Is equal to 90 degree. Now by angle sum property, now we are we have given three angles. We can find angle P easily by using the angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle P plus Q plus R plus X plus S equal to 360 degree. So P हमें पता करना है, Q की वैल्यू 130 डिग्री है, R 90 डिग्री गिवन है, S हमने पता कर दिया 90 डिग्री इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. Angle P plus it will become 310 degree equal to 360 degree. Angle P equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. Value of P equal to 50 degree. That is the answer. This is the alternate method. Okay. And you have to do both the methods on your notebook. Okay. Thank you, students.